This might be my favorite way to have a pear. Hey friends, I'm Michelle from Cup of Zest, and I'm here to help you party more and stress less. Wouldn't that be nice? Less stress. Today, we're gonna make a pear and gin sparkling cocktail. Ooh, sparkling. Let's start by making our pear puree. You know, with pears, they always like bruise or get funky or the skin comes off when you take the sticker off. Don't worry about it. That's why this pear puree is great, because it doesn't matter if there are bruises. And just a rough chop is fine because it's gonna go into our blender. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and make a garnish for our cocktail. I'm just gonna do little wedges, something cute and easy that will hopefully stick to the side of the glass, or we can make it work. And we're gonna toss these in a little lemon juice so they do not brown. Probably just eat this as a snack. You know, I love a snack while I'm cooking. Oh my God, yeah. Pears are a fruit that I always forget I like until the season comes around. And I'm like, I love pears. We're adding a little lemon juice to stop the pears from oxidizing and for a little flavor. We're also gonna add in some fresh thyme leaves. If you are using thyme that's really like soft, like this that I'm using right here, like this guy right here, you can put all of the thyme in there. You can put all the thyme in there. You can put the stems in there as well, but if you're using some thyme that is very like woody and branchy, don't put the stem in. Make sure you just put in the leaves. And lastly, a little water. Nobody wants to chew their cocktail, so we're gonna strain this to get any chunky bits out of it. Your blender may not be super powerful like this crazy one, and if it's not, that's totally fine. Use what you have, but you're absolutely gonna wanna strain your puree. For easier pouring, we're gonna get this in here. Ooh, yeah, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy, oh my God. It's time to make our cocktail, yay! I'm gonna make two. One for you, one for me. We're gonna start off with 2 ounces of our pear puree, 2 ounces of gin, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. All right, let's do it. Let's shake it up. Okay, this looks delicious. Yes, yes. We're just gonna divide it half and half. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to drink one of these. I wish you could taste one, but you can if you make the recipe. Now, Trader Joe's finest prosecco. Slow and steady whenever you open prosecco or any sparkling wine. You want to be slow with it because it might bubble over. Oh, yes, nailed it. I think it's perfect. I'm so excited for you to try this. There's one more thing we need to do. Garnish. Gotta do a little garnish, baby. How do I want to garnish this? I think we're gonna just do, ooh, I need a paring knife. That's what I need. Oh, I need a paring knife for my pears. I cracked myself up. There we go, so cute. Gorgeous. One for you, one for me. Cheers. That's so good. Ooh, this is so delightful. The pear is like so lovely and just delicate. The gin's there, this prosecco with the bubbles. It's fantastic. It deserves to be a part of your celebration. All right, friend, I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe somewhere right here. You know what to do. And happy partying. Garnishes are fun until they fall into your face.